So h, we're just differentiating r shine x over 2, so it's just a chain rule, isn't it? So dy by dx equals the square root 1 plus this thing squared, x squared over 4, and we've got a half coming out at the top as well. I suppose we could tidy that up, because look, that's 4 plus the square root of that all over 4. Bring out the root 4, cancels with that. So I think I'm just going to get 4 plus x squared at the end of that. Look, sorry if I did that too quick. Just bring the 2 down and bring the root 4 out as well. So I've got that bit there. Then we've got a little product rule coming through here. I wonder if is there any reason for making it complicated? I'll see if the answer is going to be interesting. We'll see. So e to the x cubed, well, that goes to 3x squared e to the x cubed, just differentiating that and bringing it down. And r shine, well, that's just 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared. So it's these two bits times together from the Chrissy Crossy. So 3x squared e to the x cubed r shine x plus e to the x cubed over the square root of 1 plus x squared. I suppose we could take out the factor of e to the x cubed if we wanted to, but I'll leave it there. What are we doing for j? J is two things times together, basically, isn't it? So we've got r shine of x times by r cosh of x. Look, that just differentiates to 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared. That one's 1 over the square root of x squared, take away 1. It's those two things times together plus those two things times together. I'm not going to bother writing it out again, so I can try and do the last one as well. What have we got here? X times the r x times the r cosh of 3x. Again, not quite sure why that's difficult. That differentiates to 1. This bit here differentiates to 3. We did this one earlier, didn't we? 3 over the square root of that thing squared, so 9x squared, take away 1, times those two bits together and add those two bits times together. I can't really see anything else to do there. Oh, I just realised I missed one out. That was convenient, wasn't it? So I missed out K. That one was L, wasn't it? That was J. So K was R cosh X, and then they were times in by sech X. Now, they don't cancel out. That's an inverse and that's a reciprocal. So R cosh goes to 1 over the square root of x squared, take away 1, and sech differentiates to tanh x sech x. So those two things times together plus those two things times together probably pull out the factor of the sech as well when you finish.